Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on absolute value equations. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. Absolute value equations. Equations which involve absolute values can assume many different formats. The main thing to remember is that there is a basic and systematic approach for solving these types of equations. Now here is our special guide. If the absolute value of m plus n equals k, then m plus n can assume the value of k, or m plus n can assume the value of minus k. Because of the nature of absolute values, we need to check for two possible solutions. Let's look at the first example. If the absolute value of 3m equals 12, our first possibility is that 3m can equal 12, that is m equals 4. So we need to check this answer. So we put 4 wherever we see m in the original equation. So 3 times 4, that's the absolute value of 3 times 4, is the same as the absolute value of 12, and that's 12. So m equals 4 is a possible answer because those two answers are the same. And that'll be the same for each example. The second possibility is 3m can equal minus 12. So m can equal minus 4. So we need to check this answer. The absolute value of 3 times minus 4 is the absolute value of minus 12, which is 12. And that's the same as the original answer. So m equals minus 4 is a possible solution. That is definitely a possible answer. Example 2. Solve the absolute value of w plus 4 equals 6. So our first possibility, w plus 4 can equal 6, which gives us that w can equal 2. So let's check this answer. The absolute value of w plus 4 is the same as the absolute value of 2 plus 4, the absolute value of 6, which is 6. And that's the same as the original answer. So w equals 2 is a possible answer. The second possibility is that w plus 4 can equal minus 6. Therefore, w equals minus 10. Let's check this answer. The absolute value of w plus 4 is the absolute value of minus 10 plus 4, which is the absolute value of minus 6, which is 6. So that also works. So w equals minus 10 is a possible answer. Example 3. The absolute value of 3m plus 2 equals m plus 8. So our first possibility is that 3m plus 2 can equal m plus 8. So we do a little bit of manipulation. 3m minus m equals 8 minus 2. That gives us 2m equals 6. So here is the first possibility, m can equal 3. So let's have a look. We need to check this answer. So we substitute 3 into the first equation and see what happens. The absolute value of 3 times 3 plus 2 equals 3 plus 8. The absolute value, so that bit is 11. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 is 11. So the absolute value of 11 is 11. 3 plus 8 is 11. So because 11 equals 11, so the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. So m equals 3 is an answer. So that's a possible answer. Second possibility, if 3m plus 2 equals minus m minus 8, we do our normal manipulations. 3m plus m equals minus 8 minus 2. So 4m equals minus 10. So if we divide both sides by 4, m is minus 2.5. So let's check this answer. 3 times minus 2.5 plus 2. On the right hand side we have minus 2.5 plus 8. The left hand side, this works out to be minus 5.5. So the absolute value of minus 5.5 equals 5.5, because 8 minus 2.5 is 5.5. So m equals minus 2.5 is a possible answer. Here's a quick quiz to help you. Please check through the video at any time. The meaning of the puzzle. What is the meaning of the following? Here is the answer. History repeats itself. I think that's very obvious. I wonder if you got that one. Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and the video is at your disposal.